Hello my dear cuties, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to learn the sound of letter C and few words that starts with letter C. Come, let's get into the video. This is capital C. Capital C. This is a small c. Small c. And the sound of letter C is K. The sound of letter C is K. Now let's look at the things that starts with letter C. C for cat. Cat. C for cat. C for cup. Cup. C for cup. C for cow. Cow. C for cow. C for cake. Cake. C for cake. C for carrot. Carrot. C for carrot. C for camel. Camel. C for camel. C for car. Car. C for car. C for cap. Cap. C for cap. C for candle. Candle. C for candle. C for candy. Candy. C for candy. So let's see it again. C for cat. C for cup. C for cake. C for cow. C for carrot. C for cap. C for camel. C for car. C for candle. C for candy. If you like this video, please click on to the like button and share button. Please do subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.